how to get the blinking red light like this to look like this. If you're seeing the blinking red light on your smoke alarm, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to turn the damn thing off. First, you'll want to pull the smoke alarm off of the ceiling. You'll just want to disconnect the harness there, and then you can read the instructions on the smoke alarm itself. In this case, we just want to remove the batteries and reset the unit itself. I did a Google search and found these instructions through Gemini. It just gives the AI summary, and I thought it was pretty helpful, so I just wanted to share it with you here. You're welcome to pause on this if you need to, but this was pretty sweet to follow to help me get the red light turned off of mine. So the first step was to just pull it off of the ceiling, and the second step is to remove the batteries. You can remove the batteries pretty easily by pushing on the back there on those little tabs, and that just pops the battery out, as you can see here. So you'll just want to do that, pull them both out. So I tried to do that first step shown in the instructions, and I could not get mine to turn off, and so I went on to step 2 there that it shows to do a hard reset. So once you've got it disconnected from the ceiling, you've got the batteries out, you just want to push this test silence button for about 15 to 20 seconds, and that is going to do the hard reset. So that clears out the memory and should get the light back to green. So now we're just going to put the batteries back in. Just shut the little door there, and then you'll be able to just mount it back up to the ceiling.
First Alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
So you can hear what it said there. So I just went ahead and listened to that. But I'm just going to test it once I plug it back into the ceiling. So right here, I'm just showing you, just go ahead and plug the harness back in to the ceiling there. And then you'll just want to push up and twist to the right, and you'll be able to lock it into place. And then you'll have it all switched out. After that, you can go ahead and test the smoke alarm by pushing on that test silence button. And right here, you can see the light is green. So we did it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Dan Good Dad.